What's up? Welcome back to Day in a Life. Today, hanging out with my partner in crime. My little dude, the Vincicino, my baby Bambino. And what are we doing today?
We're going to go on the boat.
That's right. We're at the camp, and we are going to go on the boat. You guys want to come for a ride? Oh, let's get this thing on out of here. Go. I'm back into my car. Yeah. I know how to drive, bud. I know where we're going.
I know you know how to drive.
Anybody coming? No? Alright, we're out of here. Hello. Having fun? Speed bump?
Yeah.
Watch out for that speed bump.
Detective.
Yeah, we're going to the lake right there. Going down to the boat. Good thing we cleared all that way down here to get to the boat.
Yeah, I know.
There's a nice little area. Let's see what it looks like. Tell them don't be stopping in front of us, they'll run you over.
Actually, I think we'll crash.
Say move with that beamer, or we're gonna beam the beamer.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, there we go. So let's see, we're gonna go out here. We're gonna turn right through here. Yeah.
Bumpy ride.
Right there. There we go, we're going through, bud. Here we go. How you doing? Good thing I had mowed all this, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So why is the table like that, and why is the other thing off the back? That's what I want to know.
Oh my.
So let's see what's going on here.
It does look screwed up.
Yeah, it does. Looks like somebody's been on here. Let's see what the fuck is going on here.
Guess it just does that.
I guess somebody leaned on it when they shouldn't have. Why is that like that? Was that like that before?
No.
No? Well, here, get out of my way, please. You're just in the way. Here. You can hold that and film. How's that?
Okay.
Be my assistant?
Yeah.
Let's see why this is like this.
Like crazy.
Either somebody half-assed it, didn't put it away when it was done like it was supposed to be. Somebody touched something that they shouldn't have. I think it's probably a little bit of people not putting shit back. Oops, did I say that? Oh, that's my thinking. I think people not putting stuff back. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so that's down there. That's there. Alright, bro. Power's all on. Let me go over here. Get the bumper there, bumper there, bumper over there, bumper there. Not too bad. Alright, let me grab the key over here and untie it. Just stay right there.
Okay. It's a lot of work sometimes.
Oh, excuse me. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Let's put one soda here. Your soda there. Put the water down on the floor right there. This is the key for that. This is the key for the boat. Okay. Let me try these.
I think it's pretty good. And I also think it's a nice day on the lake.
I think it's a nice day on the lake too. I think so too, bud. Looks like it's gonna be a good day for cruising.
Then we're also gonna cruise at night too. See what it's like all lit up.
Cruise at night too?
Yeah. There's the go-kart over there.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
And we just shoved off, mate.
When we are leaving.
Ahoy.
Yeah. Ahoy, matey.
Alright, you ready, mate?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. She's running. What do you think? She is running. Look at that. There we go. So, oh, there's a neighbor. Bro, where's your phone?
My phone's in the camp.
You left it in the camp?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. I got mine. We'll have to get some tunage going in a few here.
Yeah, mine's out.
Where are we heading to? Where's your bathing suit? Oh, you got it on? Where are we heading to? Where are you jumping in? Where's your boogie board?
I'm boogie board.
You left it at the camp. How can I pull you around if you left your boogie board at the camp?
All I have to do is take your rope and hold on to the back.
No. No.
Plus there's, I don't know.
Well,
Maybe we can do that
how
later.
about we just enjoy some cruising right now and then you can jump in a minute. How's that? Sound like a plan? Alright, I'm digging it. It is time for s'more.
Yeah.
It is time for a s'more. Vincent's gonna make some s'mores. We got a nice little fire going here at the camp. It's nice and quiet except for I can hear the guy doing a little pew pews in the back there. You know, pew pew, pew pew. And I ain't talking stinky either. Get it?
Yeah.
Pew pew. I ain't talking stinky.
Well, I'm gonna stick one right on.
Go ahead, I just broke up your chocolate for you. What do you got? It's some
Mega
big old
mellows.
mega mellows. Look at that sucker. Huh? That is a mega mellow, bro. Why don't you hold it towards the end of the stick so you don't have to burn your fingers. That's why it sticks long. There you go. Just roll it around. You don't want it to catch fire. Roll it. Roll it. You got it? You don't have to go right in the flames, bud. That's not how you cook it. That's how you burn it. Yeah, let me see. I'll show you. So this is what you want to do. You want to just hold it up like this. So you want to let the heat get to it, right?
Mhm.
So you don't want it to, make sure you get it on there a little funky. Alright, so there you go. You want to hold it just like that, right there. It takes time. A good s'more takes time, bro. You gotta let it heat up the inside, not just the outside. So you want to give it a second, you know what I'm saying? You could lower it down maybe a little bit more if you need a little heat there, see? And then you just want to give it a little turn. Little turn. Check that side, how's it over? Oh, see, it's not even like brown over there yet. See, it's not even golden brown yet. Like I said, it takes a little bit of time for a good s'more.
The fire's gonna get bigger.
Where's all the wind coming from? Oh, I just threw something big in the dumpster over there. Oh, it just scared the heck out of me. It's like, what the heck? I jumped.
Not me.
I jumped. Alright. Come on over here. You can come on the other side. You can take over your marshmallow roasting. How we doing? Some people walking by saying hi. Alright, pay attention. Put your chair up. You can sit down like that. Yo, watch what you're doing. You're gonna knock it off the brook there. Is it getting soft? Is it getting toasty? Let me see. Bring it over here for 1 second. Let me just see. Oh yeah, on the outside it is. It's inside. Those are big marshmallows, man. I don't know where the heck I got those things, but phew.
You didn't get them.
Yeah, I did. I got the big ones. I think I got them at Price Chopper.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah? You just told me I didn't get them. Ugh.
Whoa.
You missed. You missed. Man, this guy keeps popping off pews and he keeps missing. Don't drop it.
Ah, it's not even on.
It's on. You just went through sideways instead of straight. That's all. I'm gonna set you up your cracker here. Okay. I get you all set up so that when your marshmallows toasted, you know it's hard to do this with one hand.
Yeah.
Look at that. Chocolate keeps falling apart. What the heck is going on?
Whoa.
Ooh, look at that.
No, just turn and stay. Dad, I messed up my marshmallow.
There she is.
It won't stay straight.
You messed up your marshmallow.
No, that's what I said. I messed up my marshmallow.
Oh, well, it's alright.
And it's cooked enough.
Cooked enough?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let's see. Let's see if we can. That's it. Alright, so, hold on. Careful. Oh, ew. Try not to get it like all over me, bud. Damn, that's one messy ass marshmallow. Let me see that sucker. Here. Quick, grab it right there. It's going to fall. Look at that thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. Oh. You look like a rabbit dog. You got rabies?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God. Awesome. We're going to do this other one, too? Oh, I don't know about that. That's a big one right there. Oh, it is nice and it is relaxing at the camp. It looks like it's going to rain though. Let's see. Let's look. They're saying rain. Look at the clouds up over here. Yeah, look at those clouds. It looks cloudy that way too. We still got little blue skies over here though. It's coming from that way. Got the flag blowing in the wind. Oh yeah, got the flag blowing in the wind. And there's another one way down over there. Another flag blowing in the wind down over there. Look at that. She ain't really blowing, but she's in the wind. Oh, nice. Look at that, huh? Well, Vincent's going to eat his s'more.
Hi.
Ah, I can still see you. Alright, he's going to eat a s'more. We're going to hang out. And hopefully it don't rain before we get to take the boat out again. You guys saw we're out earlier. We're here tonight spending the night at the camp because the...
He wants to take the boat out on the water at night and see what it looks like all lit up.
That's right. We haven't seen it yet. The boat's been in the water now how long?
A couple months. Or a couple weeks.
A few weeks. Maybe about a month, month and a half. Maybe a good month. We haven't even seen it lit up yet. So you and me are here. Is our mission tonight. To see that boat lit up on the water. Right? As long as it's not pouring out and thundering and lightning, we are going to go and see what that sucker looks like at night. Cool? Alright, well we're going to enjoy a s'more. And hopefully we'll see you on the boat. Alright. It is nighttime, and we are finally looking at the boat at night. And I gotta tell you, damn, look at the driving lights up there. Got the running lights. Vincent, get back on the boat. It's untied in the back. Get back on and stop. Okay, so you don't get hurt. So let's see. You see the light shining in the water and off those shiny pontoons. Look, we got white lights, we got blue lights, we got everything on right now. Cabin lights, beanie light. Is the beanie light on in the back? Let me see, is it on the top? Oh yeah, that's on the top. Boat's floating away from me. So you had to push off, sit, down. Got it? Sit.
Babe, smile.
Hi. Yeah, Mama. What do you think? Look at that. Damn, that looks pretty sweet. Hold on, I gotta get the back. So, let's see. We got the lights in the back. Look at those things there. And some red lights back there. Damn, that looks pretty sweet at night. I gotta tell you what, that looks pretty awesome. Look at that, all that time. That was pretty cool. Alright. Alright, buddy, hold this. I gotta untie the boat in the front, and then we're gonna go for a little cruise at night.
Yeah. Want me to film you?
You can do what you want to do, bud.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
untying, and then we're going for a little ride.
It's pitch black outside, it's not like earlier today.
Alright, so let's see.
Here he comes, the captain of the boat. There he is. We're off of our little stand.
Alright, so that's that one. I'm gonna shut shut those ones off.
Which one's the driest?
Alright, let's go.
Hey, this is the driest. Let's go. Mom, I got the driest seat. We are out.
Yeah, cruising. How do you think? Do you see in front of us?
Yeah. Dad, you can see the light off the trees. I don't think the camera can see it, but there's definitely light off of the trees. Mom, say hi.
The headlight on?
Headlight is on.
Yeah.
It's on.
This is what the boat looks like all laid off on the inside.
They don't shine too far straight, I guess.
Red light, white light. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
What do you think?
I think this is pretty
I think that's pretty cool too, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, that is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Look at those gauges at night. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Mom,
not too bad. What do you think, Mama?
Awesome.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Huh.
the reason why